Let's go. Quick, quick, quick.
Listen to this, man.
I do need to just tell you right now, before we get started with this video, this whole video has been edited using Filmora 9, which is available from the link in the description below to download for you guys, which is a free download. But before we get started, I'm going to show you exactly how I use Filmora. Check it out. So here's the app, guys. This is Filmora, and I basically want to just show you exactly how simple it is to use and how easy everything just goes into the timeline. So now I want to show you some of these transitions, some of the titles and some of the effects that can be added to your videos to amplify your content and make it stand out from the rest. And these are super easy to use, guys. Literally drag them into your clips, drag them into your footage, and you can seamlessly blend them between each clip. Let me just show you exactly how I've edited this video right now.
Yeah, go.
There Let's go.
Boy, we just secured a life hammer, man. Quick, let's run. Quarantine, dude. They're coming to check the quarantine. Oh, shit.
Jumping in. Okay, so yo guys, welcome back to a new video. We're here right now, and I'm having to walk over to this side, and I hope you guys enjoyed the last video. The GTR video is online. It's the last video that I put on the channel. If you didn't see it yet, go back and watch it right now. And also, new collective box gloves are available. Stomach. New collective gloves available right now. Link in description below. But guys, today's video, I'm basically, oh bro, I forgot to wash it. No. Anyway, as you can see right here, this is my Mercedes-Benz X-Class, and this is a deranged version. Wider arches, meaner, bulkier. It's an absolute beast. I'm gonna go into the specifications in just a little bit, but you know what? All I need to do is keep clean. All I need to keep clean, guys, is the deranged logo. This is the furthest thing from your average truck. It's meant for the off-road, and it's meant to get dirty. It's meant to be used. Oh, it's Thursday, 8 p.m. Guys,
Fools be clucking out here.
Thursday, 8 p.m. The blocks are about to go crazy right now. Let's beat the horns. Let's beat the horns. Yep! Every Thursday, 8 p.m. Clap for the NHS. That is incredible. That's unity, you know. That's incredible. That's the United Kingdom. But guys, I'm about to show you my Mercedes-Benz X-Class, so let's get right into the video. I definitely should have got the truck cleaned before doing this video, but I wanted to just take a moment to drive and appreciate this beast because I've never driven anything like it. So yeah, as you would think, this drives like a 4x4, a big truck like taking over the road. It actually doesn't. It drives really well. And I was surprised when I got in it as well, and I was just like, wow, it's got that like Mercedes feel to it. This thing is a monster and it handles anything you throw at it. And it's like the interior as well, everything is so amazing. And I wanted to do this video, like I understand that this isn't probably going to be as in-depth as you would expect it to be. But I'm basically just giving you guys like the first kind of like thoughts what I had on this vehicle when I stepped into it, and I was just like, wow. Like, it is a Mercedes, and it is a truck, and it's an absolute beast. I've never seen anything like it. Deranged absolutely smashed it with this one. Take my gloves off, I'm not the Stig. Am I? Let's be honest, I'm not the Stig.
But if you do want to look like the Stig, you can go on collectivebikes.com and check out the gloves there.
Yeah, if you do want to look like the Stig, guys, you can, however, go to collectivebikes.com and get yourself a pair of the gloves because they are available and online for immediate dispatch right now. Do you hear me? Guys, yeah, this was my first thoughts getting inside the truck. I was just like, wow, there's actually nothing that hasn't even been put Alcantara or leather on it. Like, quality is beyond normality. I actually feel like we can't really appreciate it as much as we want to do right now just because of the state of the outside. These deranged Recaro seats. Wow. If I went round and just talked to you about this truck, I'd literally just be saying, wow.
Oh, can I grab a bit of that?
Yeah,
I touched the elevator thing.
So I want to go over some of the key features of this truck right now and some of the main things that might stand out to you from when you see this compared to a standard X-Class. This is the furthest thing from standard, okay? The wide body conversion completely changes the look of this thing. It just makes it sit on the road like a fat pit bull. And the wheels as well, 20-inch, two-piece forged deranged wheels, satin black, with the VF Goodrich tyres on there as well. To me, this is exactly what you need on a truck. I honestly don't think you could have put a better set of wheels on this thing. I think it looks like it's meant to look. Okay, so the front grille, completely murdered out, and I know it's like a bit brown right now. But honestly, guys, I really wanted to show you this, as dirty as it is, because it can handle both, and I feel like when it's cleaned up and it's polished and it's looking super clean, it does give off the vibe that you may think it's just a standard on-road vehicle, and it is not at all. I promise you it is not. So the front badge, the front grille, everything's all blacked out. All blacked out. I don't know what happened to that. And you'd be glad to know, guys, that this actually had a remap. So this thing is running right now. Guess what brake horsepower is in this? Just guess. I'll give you two guesses.
450.
450 brake horsepower in this.
Yeah.
That'd be sick. I will need to chat to Deranged and just see if I can get a 6.3 put in. That would be incredible. But no, David, it's not 450 brake horsepower.
200.
310 brake horsepower. This Deranged truck is pushing 310 brake horsepower.
Damn.
That's incredible. So on the back here, guys, I got the mountain top satin black. As I said again, I know it looks a bit brown, but it's actually black. Satin black roll bar with the mountain top roller shutter as well. You know what I mean? So it's not open. You actually have the privilege of having all of that boot space as well. You can put stuff in there. The dirt bike fits in the back of there, and also my bikes fit in the back of there as well. So I can literally lay them down, put them straight in, and it's all.
Ooh.
Look at that.
Oh, that is. You could sleep in that.
I actually will spend the night inside there. I have no issue putting cameras inside and spend the night inside there.
So if we get 10,000 thumbs up on this video, he's going to spend the night in there in Loch Ness.
How many? David just said 10,000 thumbs up, and I've got to spend the night in the back of this truck in the mountains by myself.
Get to work, people. We need to make this happen.
Anyway, the Deranged logos all on the back as well. This thing is just so sick. Let me try and show you the interior right now. I know it's a little bit dark. And I know it's a little bit dark right now, guys. But you can see the interior. The Recaro seats. Guys, look at the leather on these seats. Wow. The detail that goes into these trucks, guys, unmatched. This is the beast, and it's very dirty right now, but I wanted to make sure that I got this video done. A lot of people are asking questions about it, and a lot of people are saying, when you're doing the video on the truck, so here it is. my Mercedes-Benz from Deranged, and it's a beast. Mercedes-Benz S-Class, the first view of the truck with you guys, and I understand it's a little bit dirty, as I said, but don't worry, we've got plenty of time to clean it, we've got plenty of time to get better shots, and also show you exactly how it works and what are the features this vehicle has, because I'm telling you now, it is packed with extras, and the guys at Deranged absolutely smashed it. So if you enjoyed this video, smash the thumbs up, make sure you leave a like, because if you're having to spend the whole night in the back of the truck, I need 10. 10, yeah, just 10.
Yeah, just 10,000.
10, yeah, 10. Give us 10 thumbs up and we'll do it, man, okay?
And we'll send this guy.
Just give me 10. Just give me 10. I hope you're enjoying the car content right now. I'm having a lot of fun doing it, and also with the current times, there's not much we can actually do, so... Is that a car wash?
No.
Has he got a jet wash over there?
No, it's one of those liquors, isn't it?
Is it a jet wash? You washing your car? Yeah. You want to wash mine? The car washes ain't open, so what can you do? Yeah. He's got the right idea, you know.
I think he wants to hook you up.
Ryan Taylor? Yeah. I'm trying to wash my truck, man. I got it dirty at the wrong time. So this whole video was edited using the Filmora software, and it's a new software that I'm trying out myself, and I want to let you guys know that it is free to download for you right now to try it yourself. But if you don't purchase the pro version, it will have a watermark on there when you export the footage. Nonetheless, you can edit sick videos as you've seen from this one. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, turn your notifications, and come back for a new one. CERTIFAM, the movement is real.